Guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are making this bonnet, so let's get into it. So this is my fabric. It's about 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters. That's about 24 inches by 24 inches. So I have my satin fabric. I've just placed it like that with the wrong side facing up, and then I've placed my printed fabric on top so the wrong sides are facing each other. Then I just pinned the ends, and then I fold it 2 times. After folding it, I now locate the top corner, and then I start to mark 12 inches from the top corner. So as I'm marking, I eventually got this semicircle shape. Then I just drew that curved line on the edge like that, and then I just followed with the scissors and cut. So when I open it up, I have a circle that looks just like that. So to make the band of the bonnet, I had this strip of fabric. I went on to fold about ½ an inch inwards, and then I ironed. I did this on both sides, and then I folded it in half again, and then I ironed. Then I went to the ends of the strip of fabric, and then I just stitched in about ½ an inch. So here's my elastic for the back. My elastic is about 4 inches. And then I stretched my elastic, and I made sure that it's completely stretched, and then I mark the points where the stretched elastic starts and finishes. Then I stitch down the elastic. So you can see how the elastic is stretching. Then I now went on to sew the elastic inside so that it's not showing and it does not move. Next, I took this strip of fabric. It was about 16 inches long and about 2 inches wide, and then I folded it in half, and then I stitched. After stitching, I turned it inside out. Pressed it a little bit. And then I divided it into 4 so that I get 4 strips that are about 4 inches. Then I started to place those strips on the band, so you can see how I'm placing. So just take note of how I'm putting the strips. I just put them at about 4-inch intervals, and then I pinned. After stitching, when I fold the strip, you see that the wrong sides will go inside. Then I took a needle and thread, and then I measured the thread. It was about 24 inches. I want a thread that is about 24 inches. Then I'll use that thread now to start to gather and make a gathering stitch right round. And then I now attached the band to the rest of the bonnet while tucking those little strips inside as well. And then after that I went on to stitch right round the band. And then I insert my little scarf. You can change the colors of these scarves. You can just play around with it and tie it in any way that you like. So that is basically the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed up until the end, see you in the next one. Bye.